In today's video, I am going to teach you how to Intregation Shopify in Klaviyo. To begin, log into your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you are inside your account, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your account name. This will open a menu where you can access important account settings. From there, select Integrations. This is where Klaviyo lets you connect with other platforms, including your online store. After that, click on Explore Apps. In the search bar, type Shopify, then select it from the results. This will take you to the Shopify integration setup page inside Klaviyo. Here you will be asked to enter your Shopify store URL. Make sure you type the correct store address, since this is how Klaviyo identifies the store you want to connect. Once that is entered, click Connect to Shopify. You will then be redirected into Shopify to approve the connection. On the Shopify side, click Install App. This step authorizes Klaviyo to communicate with your Shopify store and pull in the data needed for email marketing, automation, and customer tracking. If you are setting this up for the first time, this approval is essential for the integration to work properly. Once the app is installed, the next part is enabling the on-site features within your theme. In Shopify, go to Online Store, then open Themes. Find your live theme and click Customize next to it. This opens the theme editor, where you can manage settings related to how apps appear on your storefront. Inside the theme editor, look to the far left vertical sidebar and click the App Embeds icon. This section controls app-based features that can be turned on or off for your storefront. In the list of available app embeds, find Klaviyo, which may also appear as Klaviyo On-Site. When you locate it, toggle the switch to On. Turning this on allows Klaviyo's on-site functionality to load correctly on your Shopify store. After enabling it, go to the top right corner and click Save. This final step makes sure your changes are applied to the live theme. At this point, your Shopify store should be connected to Klaviyo, and the app embed should be active on your site. If you do not see the embed right away, give it a moment and confirm that you edited the live theme rather than a draft theme. That covers everything you need to know.